Hey folks, Bob here, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. What we have here is a 1966 Plymouth Barracuda. Check out this beauty. Looks like it's got some new tires on it too. Still got the sticker on it. And this car sold. I'm at the Greensboro Collector Car Auction. It sold for $27,500. Wow, they must have liked this one. I love that. 54,000 actual miles had something to do with that. It does look like it's had a repaint. 273 Commando. Beautiful, beautiful, well done car. So I've got one of these. It's in the restoration shop now, having some work done to it. Owned the darn thing forever. Gosh almighty, beautiful. Like the way they did the black stripes across the hood. The mine is also an automatic in the floor car. Same dash. Mine is dark green. It's F7 green with black interior. And mine is going to be a resto mod. This one here appears to be pretty much factory correct. Best I can tell. Maybe the paint's a little too shiny, but I like it. It's not over the top. Really nice. Contrary to popular belief, people say these back glasses are worth $1,500, $2,000. Over the years, I've had many of them. Couldn't give the damn things away. I think I still got one or two left. You might look up and get 150 bucks for them. You got to find somebody that's got one that's broken and damn, very hard to break. Don't go out and try to break one, guys. Just respect people's property, but I'm just saying, I've owned them all my life. I've only seen two that were broken. There were trees that fell on them. They're not worth what you think they're worth. Now, I guess if there's a guy that has a car like this and his gets broken by a tree limb and he's got to have one quick, yeah, he might pay $15 for it. But out on the open market, people asking that for them, they're not going to get that. Unless they find that guy that I just described. So let's get back to looking at this car. We can argue about that later. I always like the cleaner taillights of the 66. The car has duals, which is a factory. So, like I said, it's real close to original. Just like this one. See, this one said you can polish this stuff out and make it look very, very nice. I can still see a few little pits, but man, that is an outstanding restoration job without going full bore re-chroming it. Hats off to the guy that did that. I polished mine on my car while I'm still on the car. I taped messed off the paint. It came out nice. It looked too good. Had to go polish the rest of the chrome then. Nice, very nice. All right, folks. I can see why I brought that kind of money. That's big money for one of these. That's really good. Folks, hit that thumbs up button. That really helps the channel. The channel is, we're doing all we can to help the hot rod and the classic car industry. You folks coming along for the ride helps us and the classic car industry. Share these videos, that helps. And if you can, we got about 4 years worth of content on the channel. Scroll down, you'll see something on there you like. We got all kinds of stuff. Scroll down, and if you could, I really would appreciate it if you could watch a couple more videos and hit the thumbs up button on those two and share those videos. Really want to get this stuff out there where folks can enjoy these cars and see what they're worth. All right, folks, Bob out.